How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of unboxing a third-party Nintendo Switch dock. Before we get started, all of the new viewers that are going to jump on this video, for the first hour or so, the video ain't going to be rendered in 4K 60 FPS. It takes a couple of hours for that to happen. I did have a couple of comments in my previous videos that said you always said the videos in 4K and it's not. But unfortunately, YouTube renders 4K videos for certain YouTubers very, very slowly, and for popular YouTubers instantly. So I am not very popular, so that's what happens. But anyways, let's get straight to it and unbox it. At first glance, the Amazon parcel looks like it's been played football with in the Amazon warehouse. How dare you, Amazon employees? Let's get right to it and unbox this thing. Where is it? Here we go. And at first glance, this thing's tiny, dude. This thing is tiny. Don't forget the little flower pot. Right then, look at it. What the hell? Compared to the original block, which I'm going to compare soon, this thing is literally tiny. Here is the information. Surely you don't need to read that. You know how a dock works. Here is even more information, which you can pause the video and read. And there you go. Overcharge protection, over power protection, so circuit protection, overheating protection. Dude, this thing's got more protection than an Armored Vest. Right, let's just jump into it. And it is covered by the bubble wrap. Just one moment, guys. Let me just roll my sleeves up, man. There we go. So hope my small little trusty knife here is not be needed. So let's get this out. And here we have it. We got like an instruction manual here. And what else? There is nothing inside the box, so the box is going away. So let's first up have a look at the instruction manual. Nice little design there. It's got Type C, HDMI, USB, Type C. What else? It's just got instructions in different languages and so. Yeah, it's just the same thing over and over again. And what's the back? There we go. Now let's have a look at the main thing. Dude, this is tiny. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look at that. Oh, I apologize for the ASMR, guys. That's about it. Sorry, I probably gave you a jump scare. Dude, this looks cool, man. Look how tiny it looks. Check it out. They're not blue, so I don't know if they're most likely not USB 3.0. Oh, there we go. We got USB 3.0 there. HDMI, AC adapter, and apparently these slots here you can put your games that you do not basically that are not playing at the moment. And you got an air vent there. So this thing is cool, and you got two air vents there to escape all the heat. This thing is cool, man. Look at this. Like, where's the original gone? Right, check this original out. Right. And compare this to it. Like, what the hell, dude? I don't know why Nintendo Switch has made such a huge one for this. Like, so much plastic going down the drain, dude. But compared to this, it's tiny. So let's go ahead and put my Nintendo Switch in it. Like so. Let's see how easy it is. No, that's it. It's placed. It is placed nice and easy. Is there anything else to talk about this? That's it. I'm not going to be turning. It doesn't come with any cables, by the way. No cables, nothing. You just plug in your original HDMI cable and such into the thing here. Wow, I'm loving it. It's tiny. Tiny. And that's it. It's nothing. It doesn't have any enhancements or something like that. It's for Nintendo Switch original, Nintendo Switch OLED. And no, it's not for Nintendo Switch Lite. Dude, that thing, it is pretty much impossible to connect that to a large TV or monitor. There are probably some ways you can do it by modding it and stuff, but still, it's going to look horrible because it's not designed to do that. It doesn't have the power to do that. But anyways, guys, that's it for now. Do not forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Write down as many comments as you want. I will answer every single one of them. Also, the link to this product is in the description below. Feel free to click that link and buy it from that link. You're also going to be supporting the AMR. Once again, take care, stay awesome, peace out, man.